Good day everyone, my name is Christian J.O.T. from Section Juliet and this is my assignment in CE2 and today I will discuss to you the probation, the violence of probation condition and determination of probation. So let's start. And now, let's start with probation. The probation is the privilege granted by the court to a person convicted in a criminal offense to remain to the community instead of actually going to the prison or jail. Kani daw ko ang probation kay mo daw ni siya ang privilege nga granted by the court to sa usa ka person nga convicted sa usa ka criminal offense to remain sa iyang komunidad instead nga moadto siya sa prisuhan or sa jail. Example sa probation kaning si Juan na priso siya og 6 years, pagkahuman pagka 15 days giadto dayon siya sa kuan conditionally o sa period o pagkahuman dayon giadto dayon siya sa provincial court nya gihaya na pud siya sa new trial, sa kuan restriction, sa appeal og sa probation. Pagkahuman dayon sa tulong nga kuan adlaw gikuan na pud siya diri sa submit application to through trial court. Pagkahuman sentence is suspended mo ni siya tong kuan daw sentensya niya pag mukuan daw siya mo usab pa siya og commit og crime. Pagkahuman bail, ang bail daw kay mo daw ni siya tong kuan murag mo kuan siya nga na. Pagkahuman dayon sa recommendance niya sa ano yun siya, padulong din siya sa prosecutor to comment within 10 days. Pagkaman mukuha siya sa prosecutor nga sa trial court kunya sa probation office or CPPO. Mao kini ang ubang proseso. Number 1, delegate investigating officer conduct a post-sentence investigation within 60 days, within 5 days, in this national interview appears within 72 hours if not petitioner. Accomplish worksheet, waiving conduct or authorization, collateral information, full-blown custody investigation o partial custody investigation. Court issue probation order or period of probation. Number 1, not more than 1 year or not extended 2 years. Mo daw ni siya tong sa piniriso nga iba kuan nga dapat ang piniriso dili mangrapas o 1 year o di po dapat mo extend og 2 years. Number 2, more than 1 years but less than 6 years, extended 6 years. Mo daw ni siya tong kuan daw sentensya nga kuan more than 1 years pero dapat less than 6 years o dili po daw extend og 6 years. Ug ang second topic kay ang violation of probation condition. At any time during the probation, the court has many issue of a warrant for the arrest of probationer for any security violation of condition of probation. Kanay daw kuan violation of probation condition. Muna ni siya ang anytime during sa probation, the court mo issue siya og warrant of arrest para sa probationer for any surely violations of condition sa probation or ang katulang kuan tao nga asala pwede daw siyang arestohon at any time. Mao ni siya ang example sa violation of probation condition. Juan violate a probation condition. Si Juan daw mo ni violate daw siya sa probation condition. Informant report to probation office. Ang informant ni report sa probation office kay kuno lagi daw si Juan ni violate sa probation condition. Supervising a probation officer conduct to facts finding investigation, trial court issue warrant of arrest. Nga ang kuan daw ang supervising probation officer nag-conduct daw siya of facts finding investigation ug ang trial court daw kay ni issue og warrant of arrest kay Juan kay ni supak lagi daw siya sa probation condition. Ug ang SPO prepare a violation report approval and reviewed by CCPO. Summary hearing. A probationer right to inform, may post bail. 3. Right to counsel. Nya B. State respected by processing officers hantod nga kuan mapadulong na siya sa trial court. And the last topic for today is the termination of probation. Termination of probation is the process by which court ends a probationary task due to successfully completing condition of their sentence, releasing them from supervision. Kanidang kuan termination of probation kay mo daw ni siya ang usa ka proseso nga which ang court naga-end or nahuman sa probationary starts due to successfully completing conditions of their sentence or ilahang sentensya. Example of termination of probation. For example, final report. Final report is submitted by the probation officers to trial court before the expiration of probation. Ang kanidang kuan final report mo ni siya ang ginasubmit by probation officers to trial court before the expiration of probation period. When kanus new law maabtan siya og 5 days before. Unya ang old law maabtan siya og 30 days before. Final report is also called as the termination report. Termination order. Restore all the civil and political rights. Ang kanidang kuan termination order mo daw ni siya ang naga-return or naga-restore sa civil o political rights. Totally extinguish criminal liability. Probation office close so probation case and keeps client safe files. Corresponding probation and record shall be achieved. Kanidang kuan probation office mo daw ni siya tong naga kuan close probation case og naga kuan keep sa ilang clients nga case files. Unya corresponding probation nagarecord po ni siya og kanang mga achieves. And that's all for today. God bless everyone. See you soon.